The holiday season is just around the corner, and what better way to count down the days than with a beauty advent calendar? These calendars are filled with surprises that keep your skincare and beauty game strong throughout December. Whether you're treating yourself or searching for the perfect gift, beauty advent calendars offer an exciting way to try new products. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the best beauty advent calendars that offer everything from skincare to fragrance. Let's dive in and discover which one will make your countdown to Christmas extra special. Kicking off our list at number 1, Lookfantastic. The Lookfantastic Beauty Advent Calendar has become one of the most sought-after holiday gifts. Packed with luxurious skincare, hair care, and makeup products, this calendar offers incredible value and variety. Lookfantastic has curated a range of well-known beauty brands to give you a taste of the latest trends and top-rated products. Whether you're a beauty novice or a skincare enthusiast, this advent calendar is sure to delight. Key features: the Lookfantastic Advent Calendar contains 25 premium beauty products, including full-sized and deluxe sample items. You'll find an assortment of skincare, makeup, hair care, and even wellness products. Some of the top brands featured include Elemis, Moroccanoil, and NARS. The calendar is designed to offer a mix of indulgent items, allowing you to pamper yourself throughout the holiday season. Benefits and usage: this calendar is perfect for those who want to experiment with different beauty products without committing to full-sized versions. With products for every part of your beauty routine, you'll get a daily treat that helps improve your skincare, enhance your makeup look, and indulge in luxurious self-care rituals. It's a great way to discover new favorites that you can incorporate into your routine all year round. Usability: the Lookfantastic Advent Calendar is easy to use and fun to open. Each day reveals a beautifully packaged product, making it an exciting experience every morning. Whether you choose to start your beauty routine with a new skincare item or try a bold lipstick, this calendar offers something for everyone. Plus, the calendar packaging is sleek and sturdy, ensuring that it can be reused for future holidays. Durability: Lookfantastic's calendar is built to last throughout the holiday season. The products inside are all packaged carefully, ensuring that you get every item in perfect condition. The outer design is both festive and sturdy, making it a beautiful and durable gift. If you're careful with the calendar, it can be reused for years to come. In the second spot, we have Glossybox. The Glossybox Beauty Advent Calendar is a favorite among beauty lovers for its mix of high-end and indie beauty brands. Known for its expertly curated selection of products, Glossybox provides a variety of skincare, makeup, and hair care items to elevate your beauty routine. With 25 doors to open, this advent calendar offers a daily surprise that will keep you looking your best throughout the holiday season. Key features: inside the Glossybox Advent Calendar, you'll find a mix of both full-sized and deluxe sample products. Glossybox partners with leading brands like Fenty Beauty, Huda Beauty, and Elemis to ensure that each day offers a premium beauty experience. Whether you're into bold makeup or soothing skincare, this calendar provides a well-rounded selection. Benefits and usage: the Glossybox calendar is perfect for those who want to add a touch of luxury to their daily routine. It allows you to try premium beauty products without having to commit to the full price. From nourishing face masks to vibrant lipsticks, this calendar provides everything you need to feel pampered and polished all month long. The carefully selected items also make it a great gift for friends and family who appreciate high-quality beauty products. Usability: the products in the Glossybox calendar are user-friendly and can be seamlessly incorporated into your existing beauty routine. Whether you're applying a serum, trying a new eyeshadow, or experimenting with skincare treatments, each product is designed to enhance your daily rituals. The calendar is thoughtfully organized, so you can enjoy each product as you count down to Christmas. Durability: the Glossybox Advent Calendar is known for its quality packaging. The calendar's exterior is sturdy, ensuring that it holds up well throughout the holiday season. The products inside are also well protected, with each one individually wrapped to prevent damage. The calendar's reusable design means you can keep it as a keepsake or use it again next year for storage. Coming in at number 3 is the Jo Malone. Jo Malone is synonymous with luxury, and their beauty advent calendar is no exception. This calendar is designed for fragrance lovers who want to experience the brand's signature scents and luxury skincare products. With 24 days of indulgence, the Jo Malone London Advent Calendar brings a combination of perfumes, body care, and candles to elevate your holiday season. Key features: the Jo Malone Advent Calendar includes a mix of full-sized and travel-sized fragrances, bath products, and home fragrances. Jo Malone's signature scents, like lime basil and mandarin, peony and blush suede, and wood sage and sea salt, are featured alongside some of their best-loved skincare items. This calendar is a must-have for those who appreciate the art of fragrance and want to enhance their home and personal scent experience. Benefits and usage: the Jo Malone London Advent Calendar is perfect for those who want to explore different scents and discover their next signature fragrance. Whether you're spritzing a new perfume, indulging in a luxurious bath soak, or setting the mood with a candle, this calendar offers a sensory experience that will make your holiday season unforgettable. The products are designed to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your daily rituals. Usability: each product in the Jo Malone calendar is easy to use and integrate into your routine. The travel-sized items are perfect for on the go, while the full-sized fragrances and candles make a luxurious treat for the home. The variety of products ensures that there's something for every preference, whether you're looking to treat yourself or gift a loved one. Durability: Jo Malone products are known for their exceptional quality and long-lasting scent. The fragrances are highly concentrated, meaning a little goes a long way. The candles burn evenly, and the skincare products are formulated for long-term use. The packaging is elegant and robust, keeping your products safe until you're ready to use them. Taking our 4th spot is Loxitane. Loxitane is a brand renowned for its use of natural ingredients from Provence, and its beauty advent calendar is a celebration of their luxurious skincare and bath products. Filled with iconic products, this advent calendar offers a 24-day journey through Loxitane's best offerings. From soothing body lotions to nourishing hand creams, this calendar is a treat for the skin. Key features: the Loxitane Advent Calendar includes 24 products, including skincare, body care, and fragrances. Expect to find bestsellers like the iconic Shea Butter Hand Cream, Almond Shower Oil, and Immortelle Divine Cream. With a focus on natural ingredients, Loxitane ensures that each product is designed to nourish and rejuvenate your skin. Benefits and usage: this advent calendar is perfect for anyone who loves pampering their skin with luxurious body care products. The items are ideal for dry skin, providing deep hydration and soothing benefits. With products for both face and body, this calendar allows you to experience a complete skincare routine, helping you maintain soft, glowing skin throughout the winter season. Usability: the Loxitane Advent Calendar offers a user-friendly experience, as each product is simple to incorporate into your daily skincare and body care routines. Whether you're applying a nourishing hand cream, exfoliating with a scrub, or moisturizing with a luxurious body butter, this calendar provides everything you need to feel pampered. Durability: Loxitane products are known for their high quality and effectiveness. The full-sized items last for weeks, while the deluxe samples provide a generous amount of product for regular use. The packaging is both elegant and sturdy, ensuring that the calendar holds up throughout the month without any damage. And finally, at number 5, we have Marks & Spencer. Marks & Spencer's Beauty Advent Calendar is a perfect choice for anyone seeking variety, quality, and value. Featuring a curated selection of skincare, hair care, and makeup, this calendar offers a comprehensive beauty experience. From well-known brands to exclusive Marks & Spencer offerings, this calendar has something for everyone. Key features: inside the Marks & Spencer Advent Calendar, you'll find 25 beauty treats from top brands like Liz Earle, Vichy, and Nails Incorporated. The selection includes skincare products, makeup, and even fragrance, giving you a well-rounded beauty experience. This calendar is designed to provide a little something for every beauty lover. Benefits and usage: the Marks & Spencer calendar offers a great opportunity to try out a variety of beauty products without committing to full-sized versions. With everything from skincare essentials to makeup must-haves, This calendar lets you explore and experiment with new brands and products throughout the holiday season. Usability: each product in the Marks & Spencer calendar is easy to use and incorporate into your beauty routine. Whether you're using a new face mask, trying out a bold lipstick, or treating your skin to a luxurious body lotion, these products are designed to make your daily routine feel extra special. Durability: the Marks & Spencer Advent Calendar is well made, with each product securely packaged. The calendar itself is sturdy, ensuring that it holds up through the holiday season. The products are all from reputable brands, so you can count on their quality and longevity. And that's a wrap on our countdown of the best beauty advent calendars for this holiday season. With so many options to choose from, these calendars are perfect for indulging yourself or treating someone special. Whether you're all about skincare, makeup, or fragrance, there's a beauty calendar for every preference. So, which one will you be unboxing this year? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more beauty tips and reviews. Happy holidays and happy unboxing!